So today we will cover what is Sonar Scanner. So let's visit to the official site of Sonarqube, and this part we have covered. So Sonarqube, we have the Sonar Scanner and Sonar Web Server. And Sonar Web Server, we have the Sonar Web Server. It has inbuilt Elasticsearch and PostgreSDB. So Elasticsearch does to search the report, okay, and first report is stored into the database server. Then using the Elasticsearch, then we can get a display report on the web server. Okay, then we need one more component, that is Sonar Scanner. Okay. So Sonar Scanner, so generally it works with the source code. Whatever we have the source code like project or microservice in Java, PHP, Python, any other language. So what it does, it check the source file, then scan all the code. Okay, and already we have seen that Sonarqube is a code quality, code coverage analysis tool. So it's done by the Sonar Scanner component. So what it does is scan all the file, okay, language, and then it generates report and it sends to the Sonarqube server. Internally, it's stored in DB, and then we get back to the web server. So let's learn about the in detail about the Sonar Scanner. So Sonarqube Scanner or Sonar Scanner performs the code analysis, generates the result, and sends the result to the Sonarqube. It is generic CLI scanner, and you must provide configuration, the list, the location of your source file, test file, Sonarqube host, URL, and domain name with the domain name. So this we have to provide the information. These information we have to provide to the Sonar Scanner. Then only it scan and send report to the Sonarqube. So for example, we have the source code and code analysis via Sonar Scanner. Then it's sent to the Sonarqube server. It has compute engine, search server, and web server. And all this report stored into the database. Okay. Then next, just wait. Okay, already we have done this one, a Sonarqube configuration, Sonarqube server, Postgres. Then now next we will do the installation of configuration of Sonar Scanner. Then we will integrate with Jenkins, with the Java Maven project. So Sonar Scanner, Postgres, and Sonarqube, we have to install and configure on the Sonarqube server. So here in AWS, we have Sonarqube and Jenkins. So now we will install a Sonar Scanner on the Sonarqube server. And if you want to read more about the Sonarqube Scanner, then you can visit to the official site. And Sonar Scanner has different property for a different build tool. Okay, so here we can go to Sonar Scanner. Then here we have the Sonarqube Scanner for GitLab, for .NET, for Maven, for Azure DevOps, for Jenkins, for Ant. So for different tools, they have the Sonar Scanner, and we have to check this out the parameter. So here we can check this. We have to add this properties to the Sonar Scanner. So first what we have to do, first we have to download and install the Sonar Scanner as per the OS. So Sonarqube Sonar Scanner available for Linux, Windows, macOS, Docker, and other one. So this is a normal properties. Then we have to download the Sonar Scanner. Okay, and these are the additional parameter like a D defined property -HL -V out this one. So we will see this one. So let's log into the Sonarqube server. So this is our Sonarqube EC2 instance, and private IP is 130. Already we have login here. So this is our Sonarqube server. So now we will download the Sonar Scanner. So already we have the commands. Let's go to the temp directory. And let's download the Sonar Scanner from the Sonar Scanner official site. So here is the official site. Click on here, we will need the Linux 64-bit. Right click and copy link. Then go to the Sonarqube server. Then command is our download the Sonar Scanner. Command is sudo wget okay, we have downloaded Sonar Scanner, latest Sonar Scanner on Sonarqube server. Then we have to unzip this Sonar Scanner setup using unzip command. Sonarqube server. This is our downloaded Sonar Scanner setup. To unzip this one, command is sudo unzip, then zip file name. Okay. Then this is our extracted file, and this we will move to the opt directory. So command is sudo mv, then our setup there, and which directory parameter is -d, then directory will rename into the opt directory. Name we will give Sonar Scanner. Sonar Scanner. Okay, not this parameter is not required. opt Sonar Scanner. Let's go to the opt. Here we have the Sonarqube and Sonar Scanner. Then what we have to do, as per the official documentation, so they have different parameters. So what we have to do, go to the Sonar Scanner folder. There is only single property in a cd conf. Open the Sonar Scanner property. And here we have to change this parameter. We have to add the Sonarqube server URL. So uncomment this, and we will add the Sonarqube server details here, means URL, Sonarqube URL. So this is our URL, and paste here. And this will also will enable source code encoding. And we have to save this. Okay. Now here, what we have did, we have installed, now we have downloaded the Sonar Scanner on the Sonarqube server and added Sonarqube server in Sonar Scanner properties. Now next we have to perform. So next task is integrate Sonarqube with Jenkins for Maven project. So what prerequisite we need? Sonarqube, Jenkins, Sonar Scanner, then GitHub project. So these are the prerequisites. So Sonarqube we have ready. All this we have. Okay, now we have to integrate Sonarqube with Jenkins for Maven project. So now we have to add to integrate Sonarqube in Jenkins, we have to add the plugin in Jenkins, Sonarqube plugin. So let's log into the Jenkins. So first we have to add the plugin. So here I have made all the documentation. Okay. We need a Sonar Scanner plugin. So here to add the plugin, click on Manage Jenkins, then Manage Plugin, then click on Available and search Sonar. Okay, already I have installed here Sonar Scanner. Sonar Scanner, Sonarqube Scanner for Jenkins. So this plugin you have to install. Already I have made documentation, so I will share with you. So it will be easy for you. Okay. Then once this added, we have to add the Sonarqube Scanner in global tool configuration. So go to back to dashboard, then click on Manage Jenkins, then click on Global Tool Configuration. And here, once you install that Sonarqube Scanner, this option will enable. Okay, otherwise it will not show. So here we have to click Sonar Scanner installation, and here we have to give name. Okay. And we have to keep remember, we have given this name Sonarqube. Then here we will check install automatically. So this Sonarqube Scanner plugin will install on the Jenkins. Okay. And last one we have installed on Sonarqube server. Okay. Then click on apply and save. Okay. So what we have did, we have installed the Sonar Scanner plugin. Then, and we have added the Sonar Scanner plugin in global tool configuration. Next. Now next we have to add this Sonarqube server into Jenkins. To add this one, again we have to go manage Jenkins, then click on configure system. Here you will see the Sonarqube. So here you will see the Sonarqube servers option. So here I have added the one. You have to give this name. I have given the Sonarqube token, given the IP. So IP have changed. So let's give the new IP. Sonarqube IP, this one. Copy this IP. Then paste here. Then you have to add the Sonarqube details, authentication. Then here we will add the Sonarqube token. So go to the Sonarqube server, click on this admin user, right click, right side, there is a profile button. Click on my account. Here you have the option profile, security, notification of this one. Click on security. Then you have to generate a token. So existing we will remove it. And we will create a new token. Give the token name Jenkins and click on generate. And this password, it will show only one time. You have to copy and you have to save in your notepad anywhere. Here you will receive the new token. And this token, go to the Jenkins, and here you have to add the new token. Sonarqube token. We will add new one. Click on add. Click on Jenkins. And here you have to select option kind secret text. And here we have to copy this Sonarqube token into Jenkins. And here we will give the name new Sonarqube token. And here we will give the name Sonarqube token. And click on add. And here you have to select new token, new Sonarqube token. Then click on apply, save. So what we have did till now, we have added Sonar Scanner and Sonarqube server into Jenkins and also with plugin. Now we will create a project for this integrate Sonarqube with Jenkins for Maven project. So we will create a Maven project, and whenever we run, the Sonarqube analysis will run, and this report will send to the Sonarqube automatically. So now, so click on new item, and here give the name. We will give the name integrate Maven project. Then select the Maven project. Then click on OK. So here we will do description integrate SonarQube with Jenkins or Maven Project. Then we have to go to the source code management. Next, here we have to select the Git branch. Go to the GitHub. You need a project ready. So here we have the project. Click on DevOps hint. And click on repository. And here we have the project Jenkins Sonarqube. Copy this project name. This is a project name. In project, we have the pom.xml, source code of this one. And here we will delete the existing project. Click on project and click on my app, and we will delete this project. Activity. Maybe in administration we have project. Click on my app and let's delete it. Now we don't have any project. Okay. Next, copy the repository here. Sorry. Copy this project URL and paste here. Then here you have to select the GitHub credential. Here already we have added it. Okay. Let's select the credential. If you don't have, you can add here from here. Okay. Here username, password, GitHub username and password. And here we have to select the branch. Go to the GitHub, check the branch. Branch is master. Okay. Then other field are same. Here you have to select build whenever snapshot dependency is built. Here we don't have to do anything in build environment. Here in pre-step, we have to give the here pre-step. Here click on add pre-built step. And here we have the option execute sonar scanner. This option is enabled because of we have added the sonar scanner plugin. Here we have to click on this execute sonar scanner plugin. Then here you have to keep all the blank. Here you have to add the properties. So this property I have copied from official site. Okay, so depend upon the project. So here we have the properties. This is a property for Maven project. So copy this one. If you search on internet, select this property on official site. So you can, so here go to the Maven project. So here they have done different way for different project. Now we are doing for the Maven project. Okay. So this property we have to add here, analysis properties. And here you have to change Sonarqube host URL. Let's copy the Sonarqube server IP. This is Sonarqube public IP. Paste here. Project key is a project. So go to the GitHub. This is a project. Okay. Then other properties, project name, my app. So if you go here, project name is my app. So here you can see, go to the pom.xml, and this property you can see here. Group ID, project name. Here we had created test Java hello world. So project name was my app. So let's find it. JUnit test one. And we have added this plugin also, not this one. Okay, so project name was my app. So here, while creating project, we have given this name, Maven Project. So like we have run this command, Maven, and this we have given the name like my app. Okay, artifact ID. It is not showing artifact ID. Okay. So my app, then UTF-8 we have enabled source encoding, and the language is Java, the project is in Java. That's what. Then we have to do the sonar source code is in. You can see our code is in SRC. SRC in main we have the hello world Java. So this path we have given SRC main, and our test case are in project SRC test case. This is a code and this is JUnit test. Okay, so these you can give whatever your project path. This is Sonarqube server, this details. And after that, in build section, you have to give the pom.xml location. So here, location is in project. Okay, this URL plus project. So here we have to give the project slash. Then goals. What goals you have to achieve? We have to achieve clean package. So what it does? It build the Sonar, build the project, Java project using Maven, and also scans our code. Then click on apply, then save, then click on build. And here we can see the console output. Click on the build, click on console output. So it is downloading all the dependencies. And build got success. Sonarqube also got success. Then test also done. Then build success. And so first it scanned the code. Then done the test. And build also done with this jar. And go to Sonarqube. And here is no project was showing. So let's refresh it. Here you can see the Sonarqube report. So whenever the code gets built using Jenkins, the report also will transfer to send to the Sonarqube server. And here we can see your app name, my app given. And here we can see all the Sonarqube report. Here you can see the issues in the code issue. So this is fixed by the real-time scenario. This is fixed by the developer.
So where you have the properties,